Amazing. All right. Uh, First, we are going to read the objective with Didi, and then we are going to write the objective in our notebooks, right? So, first, we are going to start with listening time. We are going to read the objective. I want to see all lips moving when we are reading together. All right. We will be able to, thank you, Huzaif and Maruf, understand the concepts. Very good, Shabista Sabah, of multiplication and division through real life examples. We will be able to multiply integers. Very good, Aniket. Using the rules of multiplication. All right, we are all going to take 2 minutes of writing time and finish writing this objective. We are all going to take 2 minutes of writing time and finish writing this objective in our notebooks. Can see Habib is writing, very good. Vivek is writing, Sabah is writing, Maruf is writing, Huzaif is writing. Very good, guys. Shifa and Sahil are also writing. All those who have their cameras off, Zoya, Gaurav, please try to keep your cameras on. Okay, guys? So that I know you're in the classroom and you're studying. Aniket, please keep your camera on. Mehek, Faizan, please keep your camera on. Faizan, are you done writing? Guys, show me a thumbs up once you're done writing. Nehal is done writing. Thank you, Zoya, for turning your camera on. Please finish writing this objective. Aniket is done. Farzana is done. Amazing, guys. Very good. I can see Maruf writing. Um, Sabah and Rehmat, you guys are writing? Yes, I can see Sabah and, sorry, not Sabah and Rehmat. Zara and Rehmat also writing. Amazing. Sabah is also writing. Very good. Shifa is writing. Very good, guys. Aniket is done. Very good, guys. Very good, Zara Rehmat. Alright, we will take 30 more seconds and we will finish writing.
Hello.
Yes, Faizan, bolo. Faizan, don't mute yourself like this, na Baba. It might disturb others, okay? Jamal, we are writing this objective in our notebooks. So what you have to do is, Jamal, you have to take out your maths notebook and you have to write this objective, okay? And once you're done writing the objective, please give me a thumbs up. Shabista is done, Meg is done, amazing. Waiting for others. Jamal, please give me a thumbs up if you've understood what you're supposed to do. And please try to keep your camera on. Thank you, Jamal. Thank you, Maruf. Thank you, Habib. Thank you, Aniket. Zara and Rehma, the class will end at 2:15. Okay. The class will end at 2:15. All right. All those are still writing, please finish it quickly. Welcome. All right, we are going to move on. Okay, so we are not going to read with Didi. We are just going to listen to Didi read a question, okay? And then we are going to try and solve it ourselves. Good afternoon, Illu and Mehek. I think Illu and Mehek dropped.
दीदी मैंने ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं करा.
Joseph, when Didi gives you time, you have to finish it at that time, right? Otherwise, you will not be able to finish the chapter, right? Will you take it from someone else? Will you take it from one of your friends later? Okay, thank you. Illu and Mehek, good afternoon, guys. Please mute yourself.
दीदी.
Yes.
सौम्या दीदी.
Yes.
I have to write this.
Oh, you don't have to write this. You just have to read it right now, okay? Hello. Yes. Mehek. Yes, Mehek. I am going to read it. You just have to listen, okay? This is a listening time. You just have to listen to me while I read, okay? All right, guys. Listening time. We are going to listen. We are going to listen to Didi reads the question, and then we are going to try and solve it ourselves. Okay, everybody should be listening and not writing. All right, so the question is, Ilma went out with her friends. Okay, Ilma went out with her friends. While coming back, she realized she doesn't have enough money. Okay, yes, Mehek. Yes, Mehek. Unmute yourself and speak.
सौम्या दीदी. The pre-work I can send after the class.
Yes, send it after the class, okay? But next time try to send it on time. Okay, Mehek?
Yes, didi. The charging was not there at the same time.
No problem. Okay, please mute yourself again. Thank you, Mehek. All right, so Ilma went out with her friends. While coming back, she realized she doesn't have money. Okay, so what happened? Mehek, Shifa and Iram gave her 3 rupees each. Okay, and she was able to take a rickshaw. How much did the rickshaw cost? Okay, this is our question. Thank you, Jamal, for solving it. But we have to solve it on the number line, which means you're not going to give me a direct answer. You are first going to write this question, then you're going to draw a number line, and then you're going to try and solve it on the number line. Okay, you're going to show it on the number line that how did you come to this answer by drawing on the number line. Okay, who can repeat my instruction? Shabista wants to. Yes, Shabista, unmute yourself and speak.
We have to draw a number line and then answer this question with the class.
Yes, before drawing a number line, what do we have to do?
We have to write this.
We have to write this question. Thank you, Shabista. Please mute yourself. So first we have to write this question. Very good, Shabista. Thank you for telling us again what to do. We have to write this question first. Then we have to draw a number line. Then we have to solve it on the number line. Guys, I can understand if you don't know how to do it on the number line. That's okay. We are going to try. Okay. First, write the question. First, write this question in your notebook. Then draw a number line. And then try to solve it on the number line. Okay. Yes, Shabista, unmute yourself and speak.
पूरा लिखना है कि सिर्फ क्वेश्चन लिखना है कि हाउ मच डिड द रिक्शा कॉस्ट.
No, पूरा क्वेश्चन लिखो पहले, ठीक है? शबिस्ता, पहले पूरा क्वेश्चन लिखना है, फिर नंबर लाइन बनाना है और फिर नंबर लाइन पे सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है? Guys, first write the question. Show me a thumbs up if you've written the question. Yes, Shifa, unmute yourself and speak.
Didi, I do not understand. You can tell again.
Okay, शिफा पहले ये क्वेश्चन लिखो फिर मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, ठीक है? guys, let's do the first step together. पहले हम ये question अपनी notebook में लिखते हैं, फिर I'll explain, okay, how to do it and how to solve it, okay? First, write down this question in your notebook. Okay, Faizan is done writing. Very good, Faizan. I can see Misbah writing. Very good. I can see Sabah writing the question. I can see Sania writing the question. Very good. See Shifa writing. Shabista writing. Mehek and Ilma writing. Amazing, guys. Let's see Habib writing. Very good. Very good, Shifa. Very good, Shabista. Yes, yes. Who spoke, Baba? Show me a thumbs up once you're done writing the question. Ilma and Mehak are done. Amazing, guys. Aniket is done. Very good. Farzana is also done. Well done, guys. Very good. Mehak is done. Jamal is done. All right. Shabista is done. Good afternoon, Afreen. Thank you, Habib. Guys, please finish it in the next 1 minute, okay? Shiba is done. Amazing. Nehal is done. Very good. Yes. Who was that? Guys, please raise your hand before unmuting, okay? Otherwise, I will not understand who is speaking. Thank you, Misbah. Also, guys, please keep your camera on. Otherwise, I will not know if you're in the classroom. Huzaif, Farzana, Soya, Mehek, Gaurav, Jamal, Faizan. Please try to keep your camera on. Thank you, Huzaif.
Sorry.
Thank you, Zoya. No problem. Thank you, guys. Sabah is done. Amazing. 30 more seconds, guys. Then we will move on, okay?
See, we have to write.
Yes, Huzaif, you were not writing. You have to write the question, Huzaif. Thank you, Sania. Huzaif, you did not write the question. Why, Baba? I told you to write the question, no? Okay, guys, all those who are done writing the question, draw a number line from 0 to 10. Yes, Faizan. Unmute yourself and speak. Yes, Faizan. Unmute yourself and speak. Okay, I cannot hear Faizan. Yes, Illu and Mehak. Unmute yourself and speak. What happened? Baba, mute your.
Soumya Didi, we have. Soumya Didi,
Say.
plus and minus, plus and minus both.
Not both. Only 0 to 10. Okay. Only plus. Okay.
Okay,
0 to
Didi,
10.
thank you.
Welcome. Please mute yourself again. Yes, Shifa, unmute yourself and speak.
Didi, how do we solve in number line?
Okay. Did you draw a number line? Okay. We will do it together. Okay. We will do it together, Shifa. Try doing it. Try to understand how to do it. If you don't understand, then we'll do it together. Okay. Read the question again in your mind. Okay. All right, guys. So what is the question? The question is, everyone listening time will listen to Didi as Didi is explaining. All right. So what is the question? Our question is that Ilma went out with her friends and then she did not have money. ठीक है, पैसे खत्म हो गए. So what did Mehek, Shifa and Iram do? All three of them gave her 30 rupees each. Okay, Mehek gave 3 rupees, sorry, 3 rupees each. So Mehek ने 3 रुपए दिए, Shifa ने 3 रुपए दिए, Iram ने 3 रुपए दिए, and then Ilma had enough money for a rickshaw. Okay, Ilma had the money she needs for the rickshaw. Okay, now how will we show it on a number line? Okay, so the next thing all of you guys will do is make a number line.
Can I try?
Yes, Faizan. First, did you make a number line in your notebook?
I am making.
Okay, first make it and then we'll solve it together. Okay, make a number line from 0 to 10. You can also make it till 10 if you don't want to make it till 20. Okay, guys. And also make a 0 here. I'm sorry, there is no 0 here. Also make a 0 here. Yes, Misbah. Yes. Now is it coming? Okay, it's coming. Thank you, Maruf. Misbah, unmute yourself and speak.
Didi, we have to make a number line like minus and plus one or like
No, like I've shown it over here from 0 to 10.
I have made. Can I try?
Yes. How will we do it, Faizan?
First, we will mark 3 rupees on the number line, and then we will count the friend who gave her. So there are 3 friends, Mehek, Shifa and Iram. So we will jump 3 times next right of 3.
Amazing.
Then we will get 9.
Okay, thank you so much, Faizan, for answering. Anybody else who wants to try? How will we solve it on the number line? Raise your hands if you want to try. How will we solve it on the number line? Wait a minute. There are Farzana, low battery. Please try to charge it and stay on the call. Okay. Jamal is not understanding. Jamal, we'll do it together. Okay. Don't worry. Shifa is not understanding. Shifa, no. Shifa texted it previously. Jamal, you will not use such a language on in the chat. Okay. Thank you, Faizan, for showing us your notebook. Yes, Illu and Mehek, unmute yourself and speak.
Didi, first from 1 to 3 we will mark, and then 3 to 6 we will mark, and then 6 to 9 we will mark.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Mehek. I just want to hear other people as well.
I am coming.
Okay, no problem. I want to hear other responses
Okay,
as
Didi.
well. Anybody else who wants to try? Anyone else who wants to try? How will we solve it? Anybody else who thinks they can solve it? Yes, Misbah. Unmute yourself and speak.
Didi, first we will mark 3, and then we will jump to 6, and then we will mark 6, and then we will jump to 9, and circle 9. We jump 3 times at one time, so we get 9.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Misbah. Please mute yourself again. Okay. So tell me one thing. सबसे पहले इल्मा के पास कितने पैसे थे? सानिया, you want to unmute and speak. सबसे पहले कितने पैसे थे? Guys, please keep yourself on mute. I think somebody is off mute. Can you please keep yourself on mute? Thank you. I don't think Sanya can hear me. Faizan wants to answer. Uh, Zara and Rehmat, you want to unmute and tell me सबसे पहले इल्मा के पास कितने पैसे थे?
दीदी
Right. So what will be mark first? सबसे पहले क्या mark करेंगे?
जीरो
All right.
जीरो को
सबसे पहले zero को mark करेंगे, right? So first we will mark
यस
zero. All right. Thank you. Please mute yourself.
यस
Shifa. Then after Shifa, after Mehek gave her 3 rupees, how much money did she have? After Mehek gave her money, how much money did she have? What will be marked next? Number will be circled next. We will circle.
थ्री
Circle 3, right, Shifa?
यस
Amazing, right? So we will jump from 0 to 3, right? After that, Sahil, do you want to try after that? How much money did Iram give Shifa? I can't hear. Yes, Maruf, you want to try? How much money did Iram give? Ilma, sorry, how much money did Iram give? 3, right? So what will be marked next? 6, right? Yes. We will mark 6 because, yes, we will mark 6. Why 6? Because Iram gave her 3 rupees. After Iram gave her 3 rupees, Shifa gave her 3 rupees. So how much money did she have after that? 9, right? So this is how we will show it on the number line. Okay. Maruf, please mute yourself again. Thank you. All right. Yes. Thank you, Farzana. Thank you. So what is our final answer? Our final answer is 9. Okay. All right, guys. Now who can tell me how can we show it in the form of addition? How will we write it in the form of addition? Yes, Habib, you want to try? Okay. Anybody who wants to try? How will we write it in the form of addition? Somebody who hasn't answered yet. Thank you, Illu and Mehek. Yes, Habib. How will we show it in the form of addition?
मिस ऐसे दिखाएंगे कि माइनस मतलब ये 0 पे था प्लस 1 2 प्लस डायरेक्ट 3 2 प्लस 1 यानी 3
Okay. Thank you, Habib. Illu and Mehek, you want to try? How will we show it in as addition?
3 प्लस
रोबोट बेकार है फटवा लिया
Guys? Yes.
ये 0 प्लस 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3 is equal to plus 9.
Amazing. Thank you very much. Shifa, you want to try? Please mute yourself, Mehek.
Didi, same did Mehak said.
Same. Okay, Farzana. Faizan is also saying the same. Misbah is also saying the same. All right, guys. Amazing. All right. So how will we show it? We will show it as in addition 3 plus 3 plus 3. I'm sorry, this is a little wrong. I'll just change it. How will we show it? We will show it as 3 plus 3 plus 3. All right. Okay. Who can tell me how will we show it as multiplication? How will we show it as multiplication? Maruf, you want to try?
मिस 9
Baba, please raise your hand before speaking. Okay, Faizan. Yes, Maruf, you want to try first? Bolo.
I did not speak. Fardeen speak.
Yes, Baba, I said Fardeen only. I didn't say Faizan. Yes, anybody who hasn't spoken yet. Yes, Sabah, you want to try? How will this look like in multiplication?
3 multiplied by 3 is equal 9.
Why 3 multiplied by 3?
Because no. Iram, Mehak and Shifa give 3 rupees. So 3 threes are 9.
Amazing. Thank you very much. Sanya, do you want to add something to that? Why are we doing 3 into 3?
Didi, same way.
Same way, you want to add something?
No.
Okay, thank you. Maruf, I think you're trying to speak, but I cannot hear you, Maruf. आप अपना वो ईयरफोन अच्छे से लगाओ. I think उसमें problem है. I cannot hear you, Maruf. All right, guys. So, how will we show it in multiplication? We will show it as 3 into 3. Yes, Maruf, bolo.
3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9.
Amazing. Okay, so we will write 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 3s are 9. Why are we showing it as 3 into 3? Because we are adding the same number 3 times. Okay, so when we are adding the same number, a particular number of times, instead of addition, we use multiplication. Okay, so what will it look like? It will look like 3 into 3. Guys, again a little change here. What will it look like? It will look like 3 into 3. We will take 5 seconds to quickly write this down. All right, no problem, Shifa. Yes, Jamal, thank you for addressing that. We'll try to text Didi personally, okay? We know the answer.
Hello, Miss.
Not text.
Number line भी बनाना है.
Yes, Maruf. Number line भी बनाना है, Maruf. Number line भी बनाना है, okay? Yes, Maruf. Number line भी बनाना है. We'll take 1 minute and quickly write this down, okay? Thank you, Faizan. Shabista, do you want to say something? Your hand is up. No, okay, no problem. Somebody is raising their hands. Yes, Sanya.
दीदी, ये आपने एडिशन में 5 + 5 + 5 क्यों लिखा है? ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
I wrote 3 plus 3, no? I'm so sorry. That is a mistake, Sanya. I'll just correct it, okay? 1 minute. Sorry, guys. It is 3 plus 3 plus 3, guys, not 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay. Is it clear now, Sanya?
दीदी, अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे इक्वल डाल के 9 भी लिख सकते.
Yes, you can write equal also. We are just trying to see that how will we write it in addition and multiplication. Okay.
Yes.
You can write equal to 9 also. Thank you. Sabha, you were raising your hand. Do you have any question?
No.
All right. Thank you. Yes, Shifa, unmute yourself and speak.
Didi, we are doing multiplication. There is not putting star. There is put a x.
Yes, Baba. Both the ways are correct. But when we are typing it, we make a star. But you guys make an X. Okay, don't make a star. Okay, so when you are showing multiplication, make a cross. Okay, Shifa.
Yes.
Amazing.
Take round.
Very good, guys. Please take just 10 more seconds and we'll move on. Okay. Shabista is done. Thank you. Sabha is done. Amazing.
Miss,
Yes.
क्या करने का है?
Habib, you have to correct your answer. अगर आपने आंसर लिखा है तो करेक्ट करना है. अगर आपने नहीं लिखा है तो लिखना है. ओके.
नंबर लाइन भी बनाने का है?
हाँ बाबा, नंबर लाइन मैंने पहले बनाने को बोला था ना आपको जब हम क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे. You had to solve it on the number line. How will you solve the question if you don't make the number line? Thank you, Shifa. Guys, we will move on now, okay? Because I've already given you 2 minutes and we have to move on now. Guys, we'll make sure that when Didi is telling you to do something, Jamal, if you keep texting on the group like this unnecessarily, I will have to remove you. Okay, we are not going to text anything unless and until it's very, very important for what we are learning. All right. Okay, guys, please show me a thumbs up if you're done and if we can move on. Please show me a thumbs up again if we can move on. Zara and Rehma, thank you. All right, so what did we learn? That the same, Faizan, I know it's very easy, but I did this so that we understand the concept and we are able to remember the concept with this question, that the same problem can be shown in three different ways, that is number line, addition and multiplication. ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन को हम तीन तरीके से भी दिखा सकते हैं, नंबर लाइन पे, एडिशन से और मल्टीप्लिकेशन से. Okay, so the same question we've tried to do it in three different ways. All right, I am moving on. Yes, Sania, you can unmute yourself and speak.
दीदी
हाँ,
हम लोग को अगर तीनों में भी अगर करना है तो सेम नंबर से करना होगा ना?
नो बाबा, डिफरेंट नंबर्स, लाइक एडिशन में अलग होगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में अलग होगा.
दीदी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
अभी आ रही है हुजैफ?
नहीं दीदी नहीं आ रही है.
हुजैफ लीव एंड जॉइन. ओके
दीदी मतलब समझ में नहीं आया.
अच्छा, Sania, how will you show 5 plus 5 plus 5 in multiplication?
What दीदी?
How will you show 5 plus 5 plus 5 in multiplication?
5 multiply by 5.
Are you sure? How many times are we adding 5? It's 5 plus 5 plus
Three.
5. So how will
Three.
it look like in multiplication?
5 multiply by 5
Yes.
multiply by 5.
Okay.
15.
Yes. How did
15.
how did we come to 15?
5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15.
Amazing.
Bus.
5 threes are 15. Okay. Sania, can you unmute yourself and tell me why is it 5 into 3 and not 5 into 5?
क्योंकि
How many times are we adding 5?
3.
So it will be 5 into
3.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay, amazing. Thank you, Sania. All right. Yes. Okay. We are just going to listen and discuss now. We are just going to listen and discuss. No writing. What is same in both these tables? दीदी ने यहाँ पे दो table दिखाए हैं. What is similar in these two tables? Who wants to try? What is same?
Miss 0.
Guys, not, please don't answer before. Okay, no problem. No problem, Vik. Please raise your hand. Yes, Shifa, you want to try?
Same number, but there is same number and same questions.
Same number and same question. Look at the tables again. Are those the same numbers? Maruf, you want to try?
Same answers.
Same answer.
क्योंकि उस क्वेश्चन में माइनस है.
Okay, so answers are same. Are answers the same? Okay, yes, Sania, you want to try?
दीदी दोनों में दोनों बॉक्स में ना मतलब ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है. नंबर मिस नंबर सेम है लेकिन प्लस माइनस का वो डिफरेंट है.
Very good. Number same है but plus minus different है. Illu and Mehak, you want to try? Illu and Mehak, you want to try? Yes.
And sign the number.
Didi, can I tell?
After the multiplication sign, and the answers are also same. Just in the first chart, it is down minus and in the second chart the minus is on the top.
Amazing. All right. So Mehak is saying that the numbers are the same, the answers are the same, just the sign is changing. In the first one, it's positive, then negative, and the second one is negative and positive. Okay, amazing. Yes, Rehmat, you want to try? Unmute yourself and speak. Huzaif is not understanding. It's okay, Huzaif. We'll try to understand it. Okay.
दीदी वो जो 4 में ना लाइन है और चार्ट 2 में 4 में ना लाइन है और चार्ट 1 में 4 में नहीं है लाइन.
Okay, which line are you talking about, Baba? Negative. Do you mean negative sign?
Yes.
Amazing. That is called negative sign. Okay, Rehmat.
Okay, दीदी.
Negative sign. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Zara and Rehmat. All right. So we saw what is same and what is different. I can see a few more people. Rehmat, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. I can see a few more people want to try. Yes, Suzaib, then Misbah.
दीदी इसमें दोनों में मल्टीप्लिकेशन है और चैट 1 में नीचे 4 मल्टीप्लाई -1 है और इसमें -4 इज इक्वल 3 है.
Okay, thank you very much.
ऊपर नीचे
है. Okay, thank you very much. Who, Misbah? Yes, you want to try?
Didi, the answers are same and the questions are same, but there is the positive negative are different and the steps are same, but just we have to give the sign of it.
Amazing. Misbah, that's a very strong reflection. Misbah is saying that the answer is the same, but only the negative or positive sign depends on the positive or negative sign of the question. Yes, Shabista, you want to try? Shabista, you are on mute. Okay, Shifa, I think wants to try. Yes, Shifa, unmute yourself and speak.
दीदी there is multiplication sign but there is some difference, like there is a down is the negative number and there is a second chart has upside negative numbers.
Amazing. So the sign is changing, right? Thank you very much, Shifa. Okay, do you observe a pattern? कुछ पैटर्न दिखाई दे रहा है क्या किसी को? कुछ पैटर्न दिखाई दे रहा है क्या? Anyone? Shabista, unmute yourself and speak.
Didi, the patterns are same.
The pattern is same. Okay.
Signs are different.
Okay, amazing. That's a very good reflection. Thank you, Shabista. Faizan, you want to try?
12 minus 4 minus 12 minus 4 is equal to -8 माइनस फिर देखो नीचे से 12 माइनस फिर 4 होएगा तो 8 होएगा, 8 से -4 होगा तो 4 होगा, 4 से माइनस होगा 4 तो फिर 0 हो जाएगा.
Amazing. तो कितने का डिफरेंस है?
4 का.
Amazing, exactly. So Faizan, very good reflection. Really proud of you. In the first table, it is decreasing. Okay, it is decreasing by 4. So 12 से 4 कम करोगे तो 8 आएगा, 8 से कम करोगे तो 4 आएगा, 4 से कम करोगे तो 0 आएगा. It is decreasing by 4. Okay, here what is happening? Here it is increasing by 4. Okay. So what is happening? It's increasing. 1 minute, guys. Yes. Yes, Maruf.
पहले वाले चार्ट में सब डिक्रीज हो रहा है और दूसरे वाले चार्ट में
It is
इंक्रीज.
okay. So increasing. What? Yes.
इंक्रीज हो रहा है.
It's increasing. That means -4 पे 4 add.
12 में से 4 गया तो 8, 8 में से 4 गया तो 4, 4 में से 4 गया तो 0.
Thank you, Maruf. Please
इधर तो
mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Thank you. All right. So here as we go down, the numbers are decreasing by 4. And here as we go down, the numbers are increasing by 4. Okay, -4 पे 4 add करेंगे तो -8, -8 पे add करेंगे तो -4. Okay. वेरी गुड फैजान. इज देयर एनी अदर पैटर्न यू कैन सी? और कोई पैटर्न है जो आपको दिख रहा है? मिसबा, यू वांट टू ट्राई? आई कैन सी योर हैंड इज अप.
दीदी इसमें बता रहा है कि हम लोग ये भी कर सकते हैं लाइक 4 वो चार्ट 1 का 4 माइनस 4 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. The 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Like the answer is in between and the plus minus is happening up down up down.
Amazing. That is also a very good reflection. Okay, very good, Misbah. All right, so this is what is happening. Now what we are going to do next is, all right, we are going to complete the tables. Okay, according to the first table, according to the table of -5, we are going to complete the table of -6 and the table of -7. Okay, we are going to take nice 5 minutes for doing this. This is your activity time, and we are going to complete the tables of -6 and -7. Okay, Iram, Arzu Didi is not here because she had to go to the doctor. Who is raising hand? Vivek Fardeen, you can unmute yourself and speak, Baba.
दीदी वो क्वेश्चन के साथ लिखना है.
क्वेश्चन के साथ ही लिखना है ना बाबा? पहले क्वेश्चन लिखोगे फिर आंसर्स लिखोगे.
ओके, थैंक यू.
वेलकम. यू हैव टू राइट ऑल द 3 टेबल्स. ओके, पहले टेबल 1 लिखो और जैसे टेबल 1 में किया है वैसे ही टेबल 2 और टेबल 3 में कंप्लीट करना है. हुजैफ, डू यू वांट टू से समथिंग? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड स्पीक. Huzaif, I cannot hear you. Please type it in the chat box. Huzaif, टाइप करो. आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. Huzaif.
सामिया दीदी.
Yes, Rehmat, please raise your hand before speaking. Okay, please raise your hand before speaking.
दीदी
Yes.
बुक टेढ़ा करके बनाने का है कि सीधे में बनाने का है?
जैसे आप चाहो. Okay.
दीदी, your voice is not coming
Now
clear.
is it coming clearly?
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Rehmat. Habib, do you want to ask something? Yes, Habib.
Miss, the 6 minus 6 multiplied by -3, the answer is 18 na?
Yes, Habib. Very good. Okay, Iram, I am going to give the instructions again. Okay, I'm going to give the instructions again. Please listen carefully. You have to write all the 3 tables first. Okay, then the table 1 is already solved for you. So you just have to see the answers of table 1, and according to how is it solved in table 1, you have to solve in table 2 and table 3 by yourselves. Okay, and you have 5 minutes to do it. Understood, Iram? Can you please repeat the instructions so that I'm sure you've understood?
Yes. First, we have to draw the tables in our book, and by watching the first table solved, we will have to solve the rest too accordingly.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Iram. All right. You have to solve table 2 and table 3 by yourselves. Okay. Very good. I can see Maruf is writing, Misbah is writing, Ilu and Meheka writing. Very good, guys. Shabista is writing. Oh, I did not see Falak coming. Good afternoon, Falak. Guys, please try to keep your camera on. Afreen, Sabah, Shifa, Falak, Nehal, Faizan, Gaurav, Jamal, please keep your camera on, okay? So that I know you're studying, you're in the classroom. Thank you, Shifa. Thank you, Nehal. जैसे दीदी ने टेबल 1 सॉल्व किया है ना, वैसे ही आपको टेबल 2 और टेबल 3 सॉल्व करना है. एंड पे अटेंशन टू साइंस. ठीक है, देखो टेबल 1 में उन्होंने साइन कैसे दिया है, वैसे ही साइन आपको टेबल 2 और टेबल 3 में देना है. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. Make sure you're careful about the signs. And if you have any confusion, please raise your hand. Habib, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. Yes, Maruf, unmute yourself and speak.
मिस क्या करना है टेबल में 6
हाँ, तो मारूफ -5 का टेबल आपको दिया है ना, उसको अच्छे से पढ़ो और उसी जैसे -5
-5
लेफ्ट साइड में -5 का टेबल है.
-5 right?
Got it? Maruf, this one.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
इसको जैसे यहाँ पे सॉल्व किया
Yes,
गया
miss,
है वैसे
yes.
ही आपको बाकी 2 टेबल्स करने हैं. ओके, खुद से करना है. ओके Maruf, did you understand? Give me a thumbs up if you understood.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Please mute yourself. Thank you. If anyone has any confusion, please raise your hand. Okay, guys. Very good, Ira, Maruf, Habib. I can see you guys are solving. Very good, Mehek, Soya, Zara and Rehmat. Very good, Misbah, Shabista. Guys, if somebody is off mute, please keep yourself on mute. Shifa, I think you're off mute, Baba. Please mute yourself, Shifa. Thank you. Yes, Uzef. Yes, Uzef. Unmute yourself. नहीं समझ आ रहा है, ठीक है मैं समझाती हूँ. ओके उजैफ, ऑलराइट. सबसे पहले टेबल -5 के टेबल में क्या किया है? -5 के टेबल में मल्टीप्लाई करें. हाँ, -5 इंटू -3 इज इक्वल टू 15. -6 इंटू -3 क्या होगा? 18. अमेजिंग. समझ रहे हो ना आप क्या करना है? तो वैसे
यही करने का है बस.
हाँ बाबा, दैट इज ऑल यू हैव टू डू. ओके, जस्ट मेक श्योर यू नो आप साइन सही से दे रहे हो, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव सही से लिख रहे हो. ओके, वेरी गुड हबीब, वेल डन. आई कैन सी योर नोटबुक. अमेजिंग. Guys, we'll take 1 more minute, okay?
Miss,
Yes, Habib.
Miss, the answer is right ना?
I can't see it clearly, बाबा. तो जब हम डिस्कस करेंगे तब चेक कर लेना, ओके? ठीक है?
Okay.
Thank you. Guys, 1 more minute, then we will discuss it.
Question.
Yes, Rehmat.
ऐसा बनाने का है. जोर से बोल. दीदी, can I make this one?
यस रहमत, अभी उतना मेहनत मत करो, अभी बस लिख लो, ठीक है? ये लाइन वाइन बाद में बना लेना. ओके, वी डोंट हैव इनफ टाइम फॉर द क्लास.
दीदी मैंने नहीं बनाई, ज़ारा ने बनाई.
अरे बाबा, नो प्रॉब्लम. जस्ट आई एम सेइंग कि डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम अभी, ओके? अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू फिनिश द वर्क. ओके
ओके दीदी.
नो प्रॉब्लम. प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. नेक्स्ट टाइम Zara, please mute yourself. Thank you. Also, guys, please raise your hand before unmuting yourself, okay? So that I know who's speaking. Miss Ba is done. Amazing. All right. Who hasn't answered anything yet? Zoya, can you answer the first 4 questions of table number 2? Okay, Shifa wants to answer. Yes, Zoya, can you hear me? Can you answer the first 4 questions of table number 2? Zoya, Baba, can you hear me? Unmute karo, Zoya. Yes, I can hear you. Tell me the first 4 answers of table number 2. Minus 6 into minus 3 will be?
Minus 18.
Okay, are you sure? What is minus 5 into minus 3? Zoya, try it again, okay? No problem, Baba. It's okay. Try it again. Try to do it. Shifa, you want to answer the first 4 questions? Unmute yourself and speak.
It is 6 minus 3 is equal to 18.
Yes, then
6 minus 2 is equal to 12.
very good. Then
6.
6, yes. Then
6 minus 0 is equal to 0.
minus 6 into 0, Shifa. Okay. All right.
Minus into
Yeah, now I'm going to let someone else answer. Okay, Shifa. Thank you. Please mute yourself. Yes, Suzay, if you want to answer the next 4 questions.
Didi,
Huh.
minus 6 is equal 6.
Minus 6 is equal into 1 is equal to 6. Are you sure? Okay. Wait. Yes. 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 Jose, bolo. Okay. Nehal, you want to try the next 4 questions? Nehal?
yes, Didi.
Yes.
Didi minus 6.
Minus 6 into 1 is equal to minus 6. Very good. Then
Then Didi minus 12.
minus 12. Very good. Then
Minus 18.
minus 18. Very good. Then
Minus 24.
minus 24. Amazing. Who can answer the first 4 questions of table number 3? Somebody who hasn't answered anything yet. Vivek and Fardeen, any of you wants to answer? You haven't answered anything yet. Vivek and Fardeen, unmute yourself and speak. Guys, if you don't answer, while, yes. It's okay, Baba. You can look here and answer, no? Acha, okay. Habib, you want to answer the first 4 questions? Yes.
Miss, the first minus 7 multiplied by minus 3 is equal 21.
Plus or minus?
Minus.
What is minus 5 into minus 3?
No, miss.
Yes.
Nothing minus.
What will it be then? Plus.
Miss, sirf 21.
Yes, sirf 21. Very good. Plus 21. Okay.
Plus 21.
Then minus 7 into minus 2?
Plus 14.
Plus 14. Minus 7 into minus 1?
Minus plus 7.
Minus plus 7?
Plus plus.
Plus 7. Amazing. Minus 7 into 0?
0.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Habib. Please mute yourself. Shabista, you want to answer the next 4? Yes. Oh, Maruf, I'll hear your answer for the next question. Okay, promise, Baba.
Minus 7 into 1 is equal to minus 7.
Yes. Then
Minus 7 multiplied 2 is equals to minus 14.
very good. Then
Minus 7 into 3 is equal to minus 21.
yes. Then
Minus 7 into 4 is equal to minus 28.
amazing. Very good. Thank you so much, Shabista. Guys, everyone who solved it, very good. Okay, I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Please correct your answers. Okay, please correct your answers. I can see Maruf is correcting his answers. Amazing, Maruf. I can see Shifa is correcting her answers. Guys, only 30 seconds, okay? Then we will move on.
दीदी आप -7 इज इक्वल -2 पे प्लस डालना भूल गए.
कहाँ पे बाबा?
-7 इज इक्वल टू -2.
-2? Where is
हाँ इधर.
-7 into -2?
हाँ.
इट्स ओके बाबा, अगर कोई भी साइन नहीं है तो मतलब पॉजिटिव है, ठीक है, बाय डिफॉल्ट.
यस.
Okay. All are correct. All are correct. Okay, amazing, guys. Thank you for sharing. Thank you, Misbah, for sharing all the answers. Very good. Very good, guys. All right, we're going to move on. Okay. Thank you, guys, who are sharing on the group that all your answers are correct. I'm very proud of you. Okay. I'm going to give 5 more seconds. If anybody is trying to correct their answers, then we will move on. Very good, Shifa. Really proud of you guys. All right, guys, we're going to move on. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay. All right. So, what did we notice in this table? We noticed that when we multiply positive into positive, what do we get? Positive. Negative into negative, what do we get? Positive. Okay. Negative into positive, we get negative, and positive into negative, we get negative. All right. These are the rules of multiplication. We are going to take 2 minutes and make this table in our notebook. 2 minutes and make this table in our notebook. 2 minutes of writing time. Misbah, I couldn't go through all your answers. Did you correct them? They seem right. They are okay. They are right. Okay. Guys, please make this table in your notebook. You have 2 minutes of writing time. Very good. I can see Shifa writing, Shabista writing. Amazing, guys. Vivek and Fardeen, can you please turn on your camera? Yes. Yes.
Didi, whoever has written this table, they have to write it again.
Have you already written this table?
Yes.
Okay, can you write it again just to remember it better?
Didi, I write with answers.
Which one, Baba?
Didi, now I send you their answers there.
No, you don't have to write it again. You've written the answers, no? This table you're talking about. Are you talking about this table?
Table below.
This table or this table? Which table? This one?
Didi, that one like -6
No, you have to write rules of multiplication. Can you see the rules wala table?
No.
Okay, Baba, leave and join. Leave करके join करो. Maybe your screen is stuck. Show me a thumbs up once you're done, okay? Sabah, do you want to ask something? Your hand is up. No, okay, no problem. Nihal, Faizan, Gaurav, Jamal, please try to keep your camera on. Ilma and Mehak are done. Thank you very much, guys. Please show me a thumbs up if you're done. Abib is done. Amazing. Guys, can you see it? Misbah, can you see it now? Can you see my screen?
Now I can see.
Amazing. All right. Please write it down, okay? Huzaif, can you eat it later and write it? Write what we are writing in class for now. Are you writing? Are you done? Okay, then it's okay. All right, we will try to remember these rules. Okay, whenever you are multiplying positive into positive, the answer will always be positive. So 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. Negative into negative, minus 2 into minus 3 is what? Positive, that is 6. Negative into positive or positive into negative, that is 2 minus 2 into 3 or 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6. Okay, so negative into positive is what? Negative. Okay, Shifa is done. Thank you. Please try to finish it quickly. Jamal is done. Amazing. Nihal is done. Sabha is done. Very good. Shabista is done. All right, guys. Please try and finish it quickly, okay? So that we can move on. Very good, Faizan. Very neat and tidy. Oh, Habib, please take care, okay? Very good, Illu and Mehek. Very good. Well done. Zara and Rehmat, you want to say something? Faizan is done. Thank you. Yes, Zara, unmute yourself and speak. Yes. Yes, I can see. Amazing. Well done, guys. Well done. Okay, guys, we will be moving on, okay, now. Okay, so for multiplication, what are the steps we have to follow? We have to first find the absolute value. Then we have to multiply the absolute value. And then we have to determine the sign using the okay, then we have to determining the sign using the table we saw earlier. Okay, so these are the 3 steps. No need to write these steps. We are just going to try and remember it. Okay. First, finding the absolute value. Nehal, it will end in the next 10 minutes. Okay. First, we'll find the absolute value. Then we'll multiply the absolute value, and then we will find the sign. Okay. All right. Now we will have our activity time. We'll try to multiply numbers according to what we learned. All right. So everybody is going to work together. Okay. Now, okay, guys. We are going to finish this, but today we are only going to do the first column. Okay. So which column are we going to do? We are just going to do this column. Can you see the column which Didi has made blue? Okay. We are just going to do this column today. Okay. Hi, Aishwarya.
Hello, Soumya, can you hear me?
Yes, but I can't see you. Oh my God, what is that? There's a lot of noise. Aishwarya, we can't hear you.
Can you say hi?
Yes, that was Uzaif, not you. Uzaif, don't unmute yourself, okay? It's a lot of noise. Hi, how are you?
To continue, I'll like just say hello. The kids, that's all.
Hi, Surya Didi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Shorya Didi.
We'll say hello in the end, okay? अभी दीदी को पढ़ाने दो.
Yes, miss.
Okay, guys, you know what to do, right? We are solving the first column. Everybody knows what is a column? Oh, Iram is saying we missed you a lot. Jamal, what do you mean by steps? Do you want me to repeat the steps? Guys, I'm not sure if all of you are studying. I know we are very excited, but let's finish this and we'll talk to Aishwarya Didi together, okay? Solve all the first questions of the first column and then we will discuss it. All right. Sabah, why are you just sitting? I can't see you solving. Habib, I can't see you solving. Yes, Habib, unmute yourself and speak. Yes, Habib, Baba, unmute yourself. Yes. अपने आप से करना है ये. ठीक है, जैसे हमने वो -6 और -7 का टेबल किया था वैसे करना है. यस मिसबा, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड स्पीक.
Didi, I was not done with the positive multiply by positive. Can you please send it on group?
I'll send it on the group. Okay.
Okay.
Or Misbah, ask one of your friends. Okay, who've written it. All right.
Didi, there is no friend at here.
Are Baba, on WhatsApp you can ask a friend, no?
Yes,
Okay.
Didi?
You can ask a friend on WhatsApp, no? On WhatsApp, I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Lillu and Mehak. Yes, Lillu and Mehak.
Didi,
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
अभी आ रही है अच्छे से. I'll just keep my video off. ठीक है, अभी आ रही है अच्छे से.
थोड़ी आ रही है दीदी.
Baba, leave and join. Okay, leave and join. Leave and join. Okay, Lu and
दीदी.
guys, please solve the first column. Okay. The column जो दीदी ने blue में किया है ना, first column, उसको solve करना है. Hi, Suvo. Suvo's audio is not connected. Shifa is done. Very good. Amazing, Shifa. So proud of you. Guys, if you're done, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, we'll discuss it as soon as everyone is done. I'm giving you 2 more minutes to finish it and then we will discuss it. Okay. Faizan is done with the first column. Amazing, guys. I can see Sabah solving. Guys, remember the steps, okay? First, you will find the absolute values. You'll multiply the absolute values. And then you will determine the sign according to our table of rules, okay? Please make sure you're solving it. Misbah, Subudip Bhaiya left also. Yes, Sabai, unmute yourself and speak. Yes, Sabah, unmute yourself and speak.
By mistake.
By mistake, okay, no problem. I can see your notebook. Very well done, Sabah. All right, guys, one more minute, then we will discuss the answers and then we will all talk to Aishwarya Didi, okay? One more minute, quickly solve it and then we will discuss it. Jamal is done, amazing. Yes, Sania. Yes, Sania.
Didi, what is it? I don't understand it.
Baba, we learned multiplication rules, no, Sania?
Yes.
We have to solve the first 8 questions. ये 8 questions दिख रहे हैं आपको? ये पहले 8 questions.
Yes.
ये solve करना है, ठीक है?
Yes.
Amazing. Solve it in the next 1 minute, Sania, then we'll discuss it, okay? Amazing. Faizan is done. Guys, please show me a thumbs up if once you're done so that I know everyone is done. Thank you, Faizan, for the answers. Guys, only the first 8 questions, okay? Don't solve everything. Sabah is done. Amazing. Maruf is done. Very good, Maruf. Very good, Sabah. All right, guys, we will start discussing. Okay, we're already a little over time. Yes, Habib, you unmute yourself and speak. Habib, do you want to answer?
Yes.
Okay, tell the first 2 answers. First 2, only the first 2.
Miss, -8 is equal multiply 4 is equal plus 32.
What is negative into positive?
Negative into
Then what?
positive.
What?
Negative is minus 8 and positive is 4.
Yes. So what will be the answer?
Plus. No, miss.
Yes.
Negative.
Negative into positive is?
Plus 32.
Negative into positive is?
32.
Look into the table again. Negative into positive is?
Negative into positive 6 minus 2 direct 36.
Baba, minus
32.
32. Okay, minus
Minus
32.
32.
Negative into positive is negative. Negative into positive is
32.
negative.
Negative.
Okay, negative into positive is
32.
negative. Okay.
Negative.
Thank you. What is the second answer?
Minus 63.
Minus 63. Very good. Very good. Maruf, tell the next two answers. Maruf, tell the next two answers. Minus 8 into 6. Baba, unmute yourself and speak. I can't hear you. Yes.
minus 8 to 6
क्या होगा?
मिस क्या ये
Minus 8 into 6 क्या होगा?
minus 8 into 6
2. 2 into है. Okay, no problem. Try, okay, you can try till then. You can try till then till I'll let anyone else answer. Yes, guys. Who else wants to try? Shifa, tell me the next two answers.
दीदी ये minus 8 is equal to 6 ना into 6.
हाँ.
दीदी 1 minute.
No problem. No problem. Shabista wants to try. Illu Mehak wants to try. Sabha wants to try. Okay, guys, I'll let you answer. Okay, I want people to answer who haven't answered. Yes, Shifa. What will it be? What is 8 into
Didi?
6?
48
Yes. What is negative into positive?
plus ये
Negative into positive is?
positive
Shifa, see the table. See the rules of multiplication. Negative into positive.
negative into positive.
1 minute.
Negative minus 48.
What is negative into positive?
Negative
Yes. So what will it be?
minus 48.
Amazing. Answer?
3. Didi second one.
Fourth one.
4.
Okay.
Okay.
Shifa, Huzef wants to answer. Huzef, what's the next answer?
27.
27. Okay.
Yes.
Maruf, you want to try the next one? 8 into minus 3. Unmute yourself, Babu. Unmute yourself. Maruf. 8 into 3 कितना होता है, Maruf? No problem, no problem. Shabista, you want to try? 8 into minus 3.
2 minus 3 is minus 24.
How did you get minus 24?
0.
Baba, how did you get minus 24?
0.
Ayo, Shabista, I'm asking, how did you get minus 24?
Hello.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Shabista, for answering. Who will answer the next one? Tanya, what will be the next answer? Sanya, are you here? Maru, keep yourself on mute, okay? Yes, Sanya, unmute करके बोलो हाँ. Next answer क्या होगा?
दीदी मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
6 into 0 क्या होगा? 6 into 0
6
6 को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया किसी चीज से, ठीक है? जैसे ऐश्वर्या दीदी ने मुझे 6 रुपए मांगे, मैंने उनको दिया ही नहीं, तो ऐश्वर्या की दीदी के पास कितने पैसे होंगे?
0
तो कितना आंसर होगा?
0
Got it?
यस
Alright, thank you, Sneha. Alright, when Mehak, you want to answer the next two? Ilu and Mehak, are you there? Unmute yourself and answer.
40 दीदी
40.
5 6 are 30
It is 5 into minus 8.
80.
What will be the answer? 5 into minus 8.
-5
Achha, okay, guys. Anybody who wants to
-40
minus 40? Amazing. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mehak. It will be minus 40. Okay, because positive into negative is negative. Thank you, Mehak. Who wants to answer the next one? All right, last one. Okay, guys. Vivek and Fardeen, one of you wants to answer. What will be the last one? 7 into minus 7.
हम लोग बोले
Yes, bolo.
-49
Minus 49. Amazing, guys. Okay. Take yes, Zara, I'm a little over time. I'm really sorry for that. Guys, please check your answers quickly, okay? Then we will end the call. What is this happening, guys, on the chat box? Guys, send your answers to me privately, okay? Thank you everyone who sent me the answers privately. Jamal, you will not call anybody copycat, okay? This is not allowed. I've already given you several warnings. You're not going to call anybody copycat in the chat box. All right, guys, please check your answers. Shabista Singh, all correct. Shifa Singh, all correct. Amazing. We'll take 10 seconds, okay, to check our answers. Ilman Mehka Singh, all correct. Jamal Singh, all correct. Very good, guys. I'll give you 5 more seconds, then I'll stop screen sharing. Yes, Shabista, you want to... Yes, Shabista, you want to say something? Unmute yourself and speak.
दीदी वो पहले का हैंड रेज था.
Oh, okay. Zara and Rehmat, you want to speak? Unmute yourself and speak. I know, guys. I'm so sorry. We'll finish it in the next 1 minute, okay? Thank you. Okay, guys. Everyone is done. Please show me a thumbs up if you're done and if you understood. If you understood and if you're done, please show, yes, yes, Habib. Yes, Habib. You want to say something?
मिस क्लास कब तक है?
अभी खत्म हो गई.
2:30 हो गया.
बस खत्म हो गई. Okay. I'm just gonna stop screen sharing. Amazing, guys. The class is